In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect a page Shopify. This short walkthrough will show you exactly where to go in your Shopify admin and what to enter so your storefront is protected by a password. I'll also explain a few helpful tips to make the experience smoother for you and your visitors. Begin by opening your Shopify admin and navigating to the online store section. From there, choose Preferences. This is the area where Shopify keeps general settings for your storefront, including visibility and search engine settings. Once you're in Preferences, scroll down until you find the Password Protection section. In the Password Protection area, you'll see an option to restrict access to visitors with a password. Enable this by checking the box labeled Restrict Access to Visitors with the Password. Toggling this on activates Shopify's storefront password feature. A quick note about how this works. This built-in protection applies to the store's public storefront, so any page customers would normally access will require the password until it's removed. If you need page-level control, consider using apps or theme controls, but that's outside today's steps. After enabling the restriction, you'll have a field to set your password. Enter the password you want visitors to use. Choose something memorable for authorized users, but not easily guessable by strangers. Use a mix of letters and numbers, and if it's a temporary password, plan to change it when it's no longer needed. There's also an optional message field where you can write a short note that visitors will see on the password page. This is a good place to tell people why the store is closed or how they can get in touch for access. Keep the message concise and helpful. For example, a line explaining that the store is under maintenance and when it will reopen, or instructions for partners who need access. Avoid putting private contact details in this public message. When you've entered the password and written any optional message, finalize the change by clicking Save. That's all it takes. The password is now in effect, and visitors will be asked to enter it before viewing the storefront. If you later want to remove the password, return to the same Preferences area and uncheck the restriction, then save again. Remember to communicate any temporary password to team members who need access and update it regularly for security.